Hi everyone, welcome back to Shared Reading. This is Shared Reading Day 2 for my puppy Gus. Today I want to start by talking about 3 vocabulary words that are in our story. The first word we come across in the story is wriggle. In this story, wriggle means to twist or turn quickly. Okay? The little boy says that the puppy likes to wriggle. Another thing that might wriggle is a snake you see on the ground. It wriggles around through the grass. What's the word in our story that means to twist and turn quickly? Wiggle. Wriggle. You're right. Our next word is giggle. In this story, the little boy giggles when he sees what the puppy is doing. Giggle means short little laughs. Sometimes I giggle when my mom does not make a funny joke. What's the word that means short little laughs? Giggle. Great job. The last word is this word gnaw. The word gnaw looks funny because it has a G, but the G is silent. In the book, gnaw means to bite or chew over and over again. Gnaw. The puppy gnaws on the furniture. Not good. Something else that gnaws is a beaver. Gnaws. A beaver gnaws on wood to make its home. When I read the story with you again today, I want you to stop at home with your hands up. If you see one of those words, stop, and I will pause and highlight that word, and we'll do the movement together. Let's get started. My puppy Gus. I have a puppy named Gus. He likes to wriggle. Yes, wriggle. The word we have is wriggle. Wriggle means to twist and turn quickly. He chases flies and gnats. He makes me giggle. Giggle, you're right. Stop, giggle. Short little laughs. He gnaws on furniture. Gnaws. To chew over and over again is gnaw. He puts on a show. Will he grow out of it? We'll soon know. Friends, what an excellent job you did today. I'm so proud of all of you. And I want you to think about, just like we did in the classroom, anytime you see wriggle, giggle, or gnaws in your reading or writing, or maybe in conversations at home, you can jot it down on our stream or send us a message so we can start keeping track of our shared reading words. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again tomorrow.